Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mastering Daily English Conversation. I'm Anna, your host, and today we're going to talk about how to improve your English by practicing daily conversations. Whether you're at work, shopping, or chatting with friends, knowing how to speak naturally is essential. Are you ready? Let's start.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone. Yes, daily conversations are the foundation of learning any language. If you practice them often, you'll notice big improvements in your fluency and confidence.
Absolutely, Tom. So let's begin with the basics. Greetings. When you meet someone, the most common way to say hello is hi or hello. You can also ask, how are you? Or how's it going? Let's listen to an example. Hi, Tom. Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, Anna. I'm doing well, thanks. Just a bit tired from last night's meeting. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. Busy as usual. Did you do anything fun over the weekend?
Actually, yes. I went hiking with a couple of friends up in the mountains. The weather was perfect, sunny but not too hot. What about you?
That sounds wonderful. I mostly relaxed at home and caught up on some reading. Sometimes a quiet weekend is just what I need.
Absolutely. By the way, have you heard about the new cafe that opened downtown?
Yes, I walked past it yesterday. It looks really cozy. We should go check it out sometime.
Definitely. Speaking of which, do you know how to get there from here?
Sure, you go straight down this street for 2 blocks, then turn right at the traffic lights. It's just beside the bookstore.
Thanks, that sounds easy enough. I might stop by after work today.
Great. So, what's on your schedule for today?
I have a couple of meetings this morning, then I need to prepare a presentation for next week. It's going to be a long day. How about you?
Mostly emails and planning. I also need to call a client to reschedule our appointment. I hope they're available next week.
Oh, speaking of calls, I need to phone the dentist to book a checkup. Mine's been due for a while.
Same here. I keep putting it off, but I really should go soon. By the way, do you want to grab lunch together today?
That sounds good. Where do you want to go?
How about that new sandwich place near the office? I heard they have great options.
Perfect. Let's meet there at noon.
Sounds like a plan. So, what do you usually order there?
I like their chicken club sandwich. It's tasty and filling. What about you?
I'm thinking of trying their vegetarian wrap. I've been trying to eat healthier lately.
That's a good idea. I should probably eat more veggies too. So, are you still going to the gym after work?
Yes, I try to go 3 times a week. It helps me relax and stay energized.
I need to start exercising more. Maybe you can give me some tips.
Sure, I'll send you a workout routine I follow. It's beginner friendly.
Thanks, Anna. I appreciate that. By the way, have you seen the email about the company's holiday party?
Not yet. When is it?
It's scheduled for next Friday evening. They're having it at that new rooftop bar downtown.
Oh, that sounds fun. Are you going?
Definitely. It's a great chance to unwind and meet colleagues from other departments.
I'll try to make it too. It's always nice to socialize outside work.
Speaking of social plans, are you free this weekend? A few of us are planning to go to the movies.
I think so. What movie are you going to watch?
There's a new action film out. It got good reviews.
I'm in. Let me know the time.
Will do. Now, before I forget, can you help me with a favor? I need to write a thank you email to a client, but I'm not sure how formal it should be.
No problem. For a client, it's best to keep it polite but friendly. Start with Dear Mr. or Ms., then thank them for their business and mention you look forward to working together.
Got it. Thanks. Can you send me a sample later?
Absolutely. I'll draft one and email it to you this afternoon.
You're a lifesaver. So, are you still reading that mystery novel you mentioned last time?
Yes, it's really gripping. I can't put it down. I should get some new books too. Any recommendations?
If you like thrillers, I recommend this one called The Silent Witness. I think you'd enjoy it.
Sounds interesting. I'll check it out. Changing topics a bit, Do you know if the office parking lot is open tomorrow?
I'm not sure. I heard they're doing some maintenance work. It might be closed for a day or two.
That could be a problem. I might need to find street parking.
Yeah, or maybe carpool with someone.
Good idea. I'll ask around. Oh, one more thing. Have you completed the monthly report?
Almost. Just waiting for the final numbers from the finance team. Hopefully they'll arrive this afternoon.
Perfect. Let me know if you want me to review it.
Perfect. Let me know if you want me to review it.
Thanks, Tom. That'd be helpful.
No worries. So what do you usually do to relax after a busy day?
I like to cook something simple and then watch a TV show or listen to a podcast.
That sounds nice. I prefer going for a walk or playing video games to unwind.
We all have our ways. Speaking of which, do you want to join me for a walk after work tomorrow?
Sure, fresh air will do me good.
Great. Let's meet by the office entrance at 5 p.m.
Perfect. Looking forward to it.
Me too. Oh, I almost forgot. Do you need anything from the supermarket later? I'm planning to stop by after lunch.
Could you grab some coffee and milk for me?
No problem. Anything else?
Maybe some apples if they have fresh ones.
Got it. I'll add that to my list. Well, I'd better get back to work now.
Same here. Thanks for the chat, Anna. It really helped me clear my mind.
Anytime, Tom. It's always good to take a short break and talk. Helps refresh your brain.
Definitely. You know, sometimes I find that just talking through things makes problems seem smaller.
I agree. Also, practicing English like this is a great way to improve naturally.
True. By the way, have you tried any new apps or websites for learning English lately?
Yes, actually. I've been using an app called Speak Easy. It gives daily conversation practice and feedback.
That sounds useful. Does it correct your pronunciation?
It does. It even shows you how to move your mouth for difficult sounds.
Nice. I should check that out. I've mostly been listening to podcasts, but I want to practice speaking more.
Podcasts are great for listening skills, but yes, speaking practice is important. Maybe we can set up weekly practice sessions.
I'd love that. Having a partner makes it easier to stay motivated.
Exactly. Plus, we can role-play different situations. Ordering food, making appointments, casual chats.
Perfect. Speaking of role play, do you remember when we practiced the airport conversation last time?
Oh yes, that was helpful. I still remember phrases like, "Where is the check-in counter?" and "Can I have an aisle seat?"
Me too. Next time, maybe we can do a conversation about a job interview.
Great idea. That's an important skill to practice. So, about our lunch plans, what time should we meet?
Let's meet at 12:15 at the sandwich place. That way we avoid the noon rush.
Good thinking. Do you want me to bring anything?
Just yourself. But if you want, bring that book you mentioned. We can chat about it.
Sounds good. I'll bring The Silent Witness. I'm curious what you think.
Perfect. I'm excited to discuss it.
Before I forget, I got an email from HR about the training workshop next week. Are you attending?
Yes, I signed up yesterday. It's about communication skills, right?
That's right. It's a full-day session on Thursday.
It should be useful. I'm hoping to learn some tips for public speaking.
Same here. It can be nerve-wracking to speak in front of a group.
Absolutely. But with practice, it gets easier. Well, speaking of practice, how do you usually prepare for presentations?
I like to write an outline first, then rehearse in front of a mirror or record myself.
That's smart. I usually get nervous and forget what I want to say.
That happens to everyone. Recording yourself helps you catch those moments and improve.
Thanks for the advice. I'll try that for my next presentation.
Anytime. By the way, did you finish the project report for last quarter?
Almost. Just waiting for a few final numbers from the finance team.
Okay, let me know if you want me to proofread it.
Will do. Your feedback is always helpful.
Thanks, Tom. All right, I'd better get back to my emails before the inbox explodes.
Same here. Catch you at lunch.
See you then.